Hello, I'm Jerry Ford. I'm gonna do a review. I've already reviewed these in the past. The Gaskins barbecue sauces. These are the three that I've reviewed. So I wanted to just kind of, not really, it's kind of a comparison video between the three. Just kind of point out, all their their tasting characteristics between each one. I'm just going to use use a couple hot dogs. So y'all sit right back and check it out. All right, it's a good quality barbecue sauce. It's called Gaskins barbecue sauce. They are out of Virginia. Just tell you a little bit about it in case you haven't watched the other reviews. Eddie is a retired military sailor. Their barbecue sauces are more or less local right now, but they are in South Carolina. They're based in Virginia, though. You can find their barbecue sauces at Piggly Wiggly's and Farm Fresh's. If you know of these stores, check them out. See if they have them available. Excuse me. They got four different sauces. Very nice, good quality sauces. So check them out. If you can't find them in your stores, you can look them up online. I'm sure they have a website, I think, if I remember correctly. I forget whose websites I've read before. Gaskins 334 at gmail.com. Look them up there. You can look them up on Facebook and message them and ask them about ordering some of their sauces. There you go. So let's try these three on hot dogs. Now this one is a spicy and hot Shazam, and this one here is the Hot and Sassy mild, and this one here is the Hot and Zesty barbecue sauce. All of them you can use on the same stuff for sauteing veggies, marinating, grilling, barbecuing, and cooking. I think these say, yeah, same thing on that one and same thing on that one. So you can use them all for the same purposes. So let's bring these out here just a little bit to the side. Let me bring y'all in a little closer. Okay. All right. So y'all don't need to see my face. Just hear my words. Okay, so get this. All right, so I'm going to put together here a couple hot dogs. I just heated up for my lunch. Okay, so let's try first I think this might have been the first one that the last one I done just recently. The Hot and Zesty barbecue sauce. Shake it up just a little bit. Let's try it on a bite here. Got lots of ingredients in there. Well, maybe not lots, but ones that are a big, factor to the taste. You got pizza sauce in this one, tomato concentrate, basil, duck sauce, and distilled vinegar, and some cayenne pepper. So that's part of that cayenne pepper is what's going to make up your heat. So let's check this out on this hot dog. Get a little bit of that vinegar, getting that cayenne pepper right off the bat, getting that heat. There's a lid. So I'm not sure if that there is the basil. See the little black, there we go. Getting a little bit of that duck sauce, which I think that's sweet. So it kind of adds up a little bit of the sweet, sweet part of the barbecue sauce. It's a nice, pleasant heat. It's not overly hot. Getting that pizza sauce in there a little bit. Very good. Okay, ooh, the heat's building. So that it says hot means that you're gonna get some heat. All right, so wow. All right, so let's go on to the next one. This is the Shazam, and it is a spicy and hot. So, but the hot isn't, you know, capped, and it isn't parentheses, how you say that, like this one is. I mean, it's saying it's hot. This one isn't. I mean, this one isn't parentheses like that one. So let's see. Let's give her a little shake. The ingredients on this one is ketchup, tomato concentrate, got some vinegar, high fructose corn syrup, so you got, might be a little bit sweeter than the other one. Corn syrup, salt, spice, onion powder, natural flavoring. Got duck sauce in this one too, so it might be a little extra sweet. And this has got brown sugar, so there you go, some more sweetness. Cayenne peppers in this one, and some liquid smoke. All right, so yeah, a little bit of, you're getting that liquid smoke, that aroma. Make sure I get a good, nice, healthy dose of this barbecue sauce. Okay. All right. There's a zestiness to it. Now, and there's a spiciness to it. Where'd it go? Yep, getting some heat. Getting some heat. Okay, let me pour a little bit out here. It's a little darker than the other one. It might be some more of like the brown sugar, and what else? The duck sauce I think is darker. Liquid smoke probably adds up to some of the darkness in it. It's got a sweetness to it. I'd say probably a medium sweetness. Very good flavor. It doesn't have the big pieces of, I think that's basil in the other one. It's not visible in that way that I can see. They're more tinier ones, like powder or something like that. That heat's building. It builds a little slower than the other one, but it is coming on. Whew. Okay. So those of you that like spicier type barbecue sauces, this would be really good for you. Okay. Woo, man. Yeah, it's getting me a little bit. Okay. What do we got next? Okay, now so this is the mild, but yet it says hot and sassy. Okay. Let's see what it's got. Now it's got a bigger ingredients in it. It says barbecue sauce, and then it gives in parentheses what's in it. So we got vinegar, tomato paste, high fructose corn syrup, water, corn syrup, salt, mustard bran, not sure what that is, natural hickory smoke, so we got some smokiness in there. Okay, natural hickory smoke flavor. Got some molasses, spices, onion powder, garlic powder. Let's see. Natural flavors, vinegar, honey, ketchup, sweet and sour marinade, tomato concentrate, tomato paste, water, sugar, molasses. Some of this might be ingredients in other parts of the sauce. Pineapple juice concentrate, salt, soy sauce, let's see, brown sugar, spice, onion powder, garlic, parsley, paprika, mustard seed, hickory smoke flavor, red pepper. All right, so that's a lot of ingredients in there. Let's move this around here a little bit, put it in a spot where I haven't already poured it. Excuse me. Getting that smoke, that smoky aroma. Getting some of the sweetness. I think it's like a little bit of it's like a dark sweetness. So I'm thinking probably the molasses, and getting a little bit of vinegar, some ketchup, some of the onion and garlic aroma. There's all kinds of aromas coming up out of it. Let's go ahead and pour some out. This one is also a dark appearance. It also has visible spices in it. So it's evident that it has a lot of ingredients. Let me pour some on the hot dog. Forgot to do that. So there's honey in this one too. All right, let's see. Getting a sweetness, getting a tanginess. Has a sweet and sour marinade. That's getting that. This one would be good to soak your meat product in. Yeah, getting a corn syrup, a sweeter taste, and some of that molasses. There is a light sour. Adding to a little bit of a twangy type taste. Pineapple juice concentrate, I don't know if I'm supposed to taste that in there or not. Maybe just a little bit, but it's hard to tell because of the fact that it's got some other sweeter type characteristics in it with corn syrups and this one had brown sugar in it too. And the honey. Yeah, brown sugar. But yeah, it's very good. It does have a sassiness about it. But yeah, very good. So they all, my tripod's failing me again. There we go. So they all have a good characteristic about them. You're getting the ingredients that is in there. So yeah, it's very good. Check them out if you're interested in some different barbecue sauces, and you want some, and you like your heat. This would be a good one to get. And like it says, there's lots of things you can use it for veggies, for sauteing your meats, for sauteing veggies, marinating, grilling, barbecuing, cooking, just cooking with in general. So there you go. All right. Well, I'm going to end it there. I thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. Thanks to Eddie Gaskins and his family for sending me these. I do have one more of his to review. So sometime here soon, I'll be doing that one. Yeah. All right. Well, I will see you all on the next one. And I thank you again for watching. And we'll see you on the next one.